Imagine graduating with a degree that combines business, artificial intelligence, data science, and digital marketing. Now, imagine studying that degree in one of the world's most technological advanced countries, that is Japan. The question is, what kind of careers can such a degree lead to? And more importantly, will these careers still exist 10 years from now? Let's find out. Hello everyone, this is Deepti Singh and I am your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. As someone who studied in Japan and has helped hundreds of Indian students explore higher education opportunities in Japan, I often meet students who ask me, what should I study if I want a successful career in the future? The reality is that the world is changing very rapidly. Many traditional jobs are disappearing or getting automated. Artificial intelligence is transforming careers and it is transforming industries. And employers are increasingly looking for graduates who can actually combine business knowledge with technology. This is why business with AI programs are becoming one of the most exciting educational pathways, not just in Japan, not just in India, but globally. Let's think about it. AI can process data. It can generate reports in seconds. It can automate tasks. But businesses, of course, they still need people. They need people who can understand customers, psychology, strategy, marketing, finance, and can help in decision making. The future belongs to professionals who can actually bridge this gap in both the worlds. People who not only understand business, but they also can use technology effectively. And that's exactly what business and AI degrees prepare students for. One of the fastest growing careers is business analyst. Business analysts actually help companies in understanding data. They make smarter decisions using this data. For example, a retail company definitely would want to know why sales are increasing or they are declining. A business analyst studies customer behavior, analyzes data, and recommends solutions. These professionals are in demand across industries, in technology companies, consulting firms, financial institutions, or even in e-commerce businesses. Second such role could be digital marketing strategists. Digital marketing today is powered by data and AI. Companies want professionals who can understand customer behavior, run online campaigns, or analyze performance data using AI tools effectively. This makes digital marketing strategists highly valuable. The demand for these professionals continues to grow every year worldwide. Third such job opportunity could be in data analyst. Every company generates enormous amounts of data. The challenge is understanding this data to make meaningful deductions. Data analysts help organizations to identify trends, opportunities, and risks. Industries hiring data analysts, they include finance, healthcare, technology, manufacturing, retail, and Japan is investing heavily in data-driven innovation. They are creating exciting opportunities in this field. Career option number 4 could be AI business consultant. Many companies want to implement AI but don't know where to start. AI business consultants help organizations understand which processes can be automated, how AI can actually improve efficiency, how to use technology that can support business growth. This role combines business strategy with technological understanding. One more career option is product manager. Imagine working on the next generation of AI-powered products. Product managers coordinate between engineers, designers, marketing team, business stakeholders. They ensure that products solve real customer problems. This is one of the most exciting careers for graduates who enjoy both business and working with high-tech technologies. And of course, option number 6 is entrepreneur. Many students dream of starting their own business. Business plus AI education can actually provide powerful advantages. Students learn not just business planning but also learn market analysis, digital marketing, data-driven decision making, technology integration. These skills can help future entrepreneurs build innovative companies. And that's what we are seeing now. There are so many entrepreneurs who have come up in the digital age only by the use of AI and data. Now you might be wondering, why study these subjects in Japan? It is because Japan offers several advantages. First, it is one of the world's leading economies. Second, Japanese universities are increasingly offering interdisciplinary programs. These programs combine business, innovation, technology, global management, and international exposure. Students gain international exposure and develop cross-cultural communication skills. And finally, Japan also offers some top-notch scholarships and affordable tuition fee compared to many Western countries. The future doesn't belong to people who only understand business, that's traditional knowledge, nor does it belong to people who only understand technology that can be replaced very fast, faster than you know. The future belongs to people who can combine both business and AI, strategy and technology, human understanding plus data. These combinations are becoming one of the most powerful career advantages in the modern world. If you are currently studying in 10th, 11th or 12th or considering your future career options, start looking beyond traditional degrees. Focus on the skills that employers will need in 2030 and beyond. If you would like to learn more about Japanese universities offering such programs, which are combination of business, AI, data science, digital marketing, feel free to get in touch with us. We will be happy to guide you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.